Hello children, this is your Himlata ma'am. Welcome to another session of Mathematics Grade 4. In today's class, we are going to learn about dividing by one-digit numbers, Block 9, Lesson 3, Lesson 4. Aim. We will divide a three-digit number by a one-digit number using the long division method without remainder with remainder. Resources required. Notebook, Mathematics Volume 2 Workbook, Block 9, Lesson 3, Lesson 4, page 4 and 5. Shreya has rupees 300 and she wants to distribute this amount equally among 3 students. How can she find out how much to give to each student? She will divide 300 by 3 to find the amount that each student will get. The method of dividing a three-digit number is similar to that used when dividing a two-digit number. Let us solve the division problem using long division method. The number given here is 856 divided by 4. 4 taken 2 times is 8. 8 take away 8 gives you 0. Bring down 5. 4 taken 1 time is 4. 5 take away 4 is 1. Bring down 6, which becomes 16. 4 fours is 16. Now let us take away. We get 0. 214 is quotient and 0 is the remainder. Let us solve the division problem using long division method. The number given here is 927 divided by 9. 9 taken 1 time is 9. So 9 take away 9 gives you 0. Bring down 2. Now we cannot divide 2 among 9. So keep 0 in the quotient place and put the 0 down and subtract to get 2. Now bring down 7, which becomes 27. 9 taken 3 times is 27, which leaves the result 0. 103 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Let us solve the division problem using long division method. The number given here is 410 divided by 2. 2 taken 2 times is 4. 4 take away 4, 0. Bring down 1. We cannot divide 1 among 2. So put 0 on top and 0 down and subtract to get 1. Now bring down 0. Now the number becomes 10. 2 taken 5 times is 10. Let us subtract, which leaves the number 0. 205 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Rima wants to put 117 chairs in 9 equal rows. How many chairs will be there in each row? Let us divide 117 by 9. 9 ones 9. When we subtract, we get 2. Bring down 7. The number becomes here is 27. 9 taken 3 times is 27. The remainder is 0 and the quotient is 13. So Rima can place 13 chairs in each row. Let us solve the division problem using long division method. The number given here is 325 divided by 4. 4 taken 8 times is 32. When we subtract, we get 0. Bring down the number 5. 4 taken 1 time is 4. Now 5 take away 4 is 1. 81 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. When we have a remainder, the formula for checking the answer is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Let us solve the division problem using long division method. The number given here is 789 divided by 7. 7 taken one time is 7. Let us subtract. 7 take away 7 is 0. Bring down number 8. 7 taken one time is 7. Now 8 take away 7 is 1. Bring down 9. 7 twos 14. When we subtract, we get 5. 112 is the quotient and 5 is the remainder. Now it's your turn. You need to solve the problem. There are 500 kg rice. A shopkeeper wants to pack it equally in 7 bags. How much rice will he pack in each bag? Will some rice be left out? If yes, how much? Quantity of rice is 500 kgs. Number of sack bag 7. This is Hemalata signing off. Thank you.